Google AdSense pays website owners based on any impressions through a metric known as cost per thousand impressions. CPM is the amount advertisers pay per thousand any impressions served on a website. The exact CPM rate varies widely depending on factors such as the website's niche, geographic location of the website visitors, ad format, ad placement, and advertiser demand. On average, CPM rates can range from a few cents to several dollars or more. Websites with high-quality content, targeted traffic, and niche audiences may attract higher CPM rates, while websites with generic content and low-quality traffic may earn lower CPM rates. Calculating potential earnings from 1,000 ad impressions depends on the RPM rate. RPM, or revenue per mille, reflects the actual earnings after Google takes their cut, which is 45%. For example, if the CPM rate is $2, then 1,000 impressions would yield a little more than $1 in earnings.